Hey folks, today is December the 4th. It's currently about 1:23 in the afternoon. If you guys have been following the website, you know I mentioned that I'd be testing a bond system for the futures market pretty soon. And I've actually been spending this entire week learning that system. There was quite a bit of information to get through. And as you guys can see here, this is their website that I'm currently on. You should be able to click a link beneath this video, or if you're on the website, it might be above this video, but if you click that link, it'll take you to this page here. And then after that, you'll get to this page where the vendor is going to talk about the system, and you're also going to get to watch him trade it. And there's also some question and answer sessions beneath it. So definitely a lot of good information there. One moment, let me pull this up real quick. All right, so once you actually get into the back office, this is what you're going to end up seeing. Webinar recordings, daily videos, trader resources. And the first thing I ended up doing when I got back here was going into trading resources. Now, one good thing about this system is that you don't have to use it on NinjaTrader 7. Okay, if you have TradeStation, they give you everything you need to trade it right here. If you have Thinkorswim, they give you everything you need right here. If you have NinjaTrader, here's everything you'll need right there. This is the PDF. Take a look at that. All right, so this is, like I said, the installation PDF. And most people, if you're watching this, you obviously most likely already know how to attach indicators and how to attach a workspace and everything like that, but I'll talk about that momentarily as well. I know a lot of people might be new to futures. All right, and of course down here, let me see, TCI floor pivot software, so that's something extra. Okay, so we don't need that. So after I got my chart set up properly, next thing I did was started the manual. And that's up here in webinar recordings. And you can see here, day trading T-bonds for predictable profits. This is what we want to see right here. Now, as far as the steps and everything, all you have to do is click right there. And it'll basically give you a PDF of all the slides they had in the webinar where they taught the system and everything. It takes a second for it to come up. I think there are like 130 slides here, so let's see if it's going to pop up or not. Okay, so it's 136 slides you can see up here. All right, so yeah, as you go through the video, he'll be explaining exactly how to trade the system, and in order to watch it, you just click this video right here, or click that link, and the video is actually about 3 hours long. As you can see down here, the video is 3 hours and 13 minutes long and 15 seconds, so it's quite a lot of information. And then after that, and of course they also have it where you can print out the slides. Like I said, they did a Q&A session, and this first one here is a little over 2 hours long. Lots of information there, and then each of these other 3 Q&A sessions is a little over an hour long. So again, lots of information there. They also did a 2-day live trading event, and you'll be able to get that information just simply by clicking right there. And as you guys can see, they split it up into different parts. And I've actually gone through now, like I said, this week I went through and watched as much of this as I could. I've actually gotten through all of it. The only thing I haven't gotten through yet is the daily videos. As you guys can see, there are lots of videos for you to go through. And I've actually, like I said, watched a lot of the videos, gone through the trainings, and I think I pretty well have a good understanding of how the system works. So I'm hoping next week to get started taking some trades for you guys so we can see how everything works with it. All right. For those of you that are not familiar with futures or NinjaTrader, this is their website. Just go to NinjaTrader.com. And you can always get a free sim account here. When you're on the website, just go to, I believe you can go to buy platform and then click on free, and you can open an account that way, and they'll give you access to it. Now I want to talk a little bit about the bonds here. As you guys can see, right now we are on the March contract, so that's what I'll be trading here. But contract specs, I believe it's 31.25 per tick move. Let's see here. Here it is. So yeah, the bonds are $31.25 per tick move. So that means, every tick that the market moves, and I can actually pull this up really quick for you. All right, so every tick the market moves is going to be $31.25 in either profit or loss. All right, and this is the chart that I'm going to be trading off of, hopefully starting next week. There are indicators that go on the chart, but I'm not going to actually show them. I don't want to, give away too much of what the system entails here. And 1 second. All right. I was trying to pull up their support. So far, typically when I have issues with support or anything like that, I generally get a response back the same day. So that's obviously a good thing, because if you have any questions, you definitely want to get those answered ASAP so that you can continue learning. And as far as actually adding the tools, when you actually get in the back office and they have it where you can download the different items and everything, what you're going to want to do is just save them to your computer. For example, as you can see here, like the session pivots, EMA, slope color, you would save these two to your desktop, and then you would come in here under utilities, and then under import Ninja script, you would click on that. Now this is going to take some time here, and go to desktop, and then here they are. You would simply double click on that, then do it again, exact same thing we just did, and double click on that. And after you do that, I believe you have to restart your NinjaTrader, and once you do that, it will set everything up properly. And there was one other thing that I thought you guys might have an issue with here, and that is the workspace file. Now, when I did this, when I tried to do it, what I ended up having to do is, like, if I click on it, it's just gonna, bring up a lot of what I would consider just mumbo jumbo, or just a lot of words and stuff like that, and code, I guess, is what you would call it. But you basically have to come in here, right click there, and then click on Save Link As, and do the exact same thing, save it to your desktop. Because with these, all you have to do is click them, and they save up here. But with this particular link, when you click on it, it's going to save, or it's just going to open the file. So like I said, click Save Link As, then save it to your desktop, and then save it where they tell you to inside of the installation PDF here. And there was one other thing. Let me see here. All right, when you guys actually get in here and start, where's it at? Data series. All right, the system is based around the open and the close. This is not something you're going to use with 24 hours, the 24-hour chart. So you basically just come in here to session template, and then go into CBOT interest rate RTH, and then click OK. And that will actually, I believe, start it at the market open, as you guys can see here, 12.4, and then it'll stop it at the market close here. Actually, let me pause it and make sure that's correct. Hold on one moment, guys. All right, just wanted to make sure I was telling you guys correctly. That is right, what I just showed you. All right, I think that's everything I wanted to speak on here with this system. It definitely looks interesting. It's been some time since I've done a future system, so I'm excited to actually get started with it. And again, just click the link below. It'll take you to this page. You'll be able to watch this 21-minute video. You'll be able to see the vendor actually trading the system before you get to watch me make an attempt at it. And I am new to this, so obviously I'm going to most likely make a few mistakes, getting started and going along, but hopefully I'll get up to speed relatively quickly. Time will tell. So again, click the link below or above to get more information on the system. And if you have any questions right now, definitely just shoot me an email or visit EmpireAmbition.com and you can contact me there. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.